Hey y'all, it's me and Tiger doing a toy review. Hi Tiger, Tiger Lou. Today's gonna be a sunny day. Sunny outside, hot outside. This is my toy collection. Yes, y'all. I moved G.I. Joe upstairs. We're gonna record G.I. Joe upstairs. Got He-Man Origins. This is my Jetfire collection. Jetfire Black. Yes, y'all. Mondo He-Man. Jetfire Firefox toy version. Here's my Masterpiece Transformers in alt mode. Yes, y'all. And gonna get camera 2 out. Yes, y'all. This is my Masterpiece Transformers in vehicle mode. Yes, y'all. We're gonna show off Joy on Amazon. Yes, y'all. Let's go upstairs and check that out. Joy on Amazon. Vehicles. G.I. Joe style. Chapman, Soldier Force, True Heroes. Here's my G.I. Joe Classifieds, all large. I'm gonna show that off. Yes, y'all. My G.I. Joe Classifieds. And we'll get camera number 3 on this too. Yes, y'all. My G.I. Joe Classifieds. I got some retro style G.I. Joe. Cheap imitation G.I. Joe. I'm gonna open that up now. Yes, y'all. Got Rakondo. This hat on. Got Bazooka. Oops. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Inside the helicopter, we got a breaker. Yes, y'all. We got Berenice over here. Yes, y'all. Scarlet. I like Rakondo in the Tiger Force a helicopter. Yes, y'all. Bazooka. Yes, y'all. Then we got Tiger Force Duke and Flint. We got regular G.I. Joe classified Duke. Got Dusty. Yes, y'all. Got Snake Eyes on the Ram cycle. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Got the Harrier jet. Yes, y'all. Got Recondo. In the Tiger Force helicopter. Yes, y'all. Look at all the stickers on there. Tiger Force. Yes, y'all. Tiger Force Duke, Flint. Berenice. Got Duke and Dusty. And the Ram cycle. Snake Eyes lost his dagger. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. G.I. Joe classifies Jeep. Here's Dusty manning the tank. optical tank. Yes, y'all. Got his backpack. Dusty running the tank. We got Duke. G.I. Joe Class 4 Duke. Get Bazooka in there. Breaker. Yes, y'all. Snake Eyes. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Tiger Force. We got Recondo in there. We got Gung Ho in there. Yes, y'all. Recondo. Yes, y'all. And we got Duke and Flint in the Sky Striker, the Harrier jet. Yes, y'all. And let me show off my other figures that I got. We got Tiger Force Outback. Yes, y'all. Outback. In the collection, we got Gung Ho Retro Style. Yes, y'all. Of course, gotta have Beachhead. A favorite Beachhead. Yes, y'all. Beachhead in there. Got Lady J. One of Bazooka's bazooka fell out. Yes, y'all. We even got Spirit Iron Knife. We got the Tiger Force Ram Cycle. Now that we've covered the G.I. Joe good guys, let's get into Python Patrol and yes, y'all, and the bad guys. Python Patrol. Yes, yes, y'all. Put Duke on the Ram cycle. Yes, yes, y'all. All the G.I. Joe classifieds figures. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. We got them all. Yes, yes, y'all. Let me show you, the Cobra. These are all the figures I got. Bring Cobra out. Yes, yes, y'all. Got Firefly. Got the Alley Viper. Yes, yes, y'all. Got Cobra Commander. Got the Trooper. Red Ninja. Barbecue. Yes, yes, y'all. Crimson Guard. Destro. Fiona the Croc and Crocmaster. Yes, yes, y'all. Cobra Viper. And that is it. That is all the figures I got. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. That is all my figures. That is my collection. Yes, yes, yo. These are all the figures I got. Cobra and G.I. Joe. Okay, y'all, that's enough of G.I. Joe Classifieds. Let's get into the retro line. Got some imitation G.I. Joes. Gonna open that up. Let's go in the next room. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's open up the next yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. G.I. Joe retro style. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's unbox these figures. Yes, yes, y'all. Yes, yes, y'all. Got Joanne, got this vehicle in there. Let's open that up. Got this Joanne vehicle. Let's see how. I was looking for big. Doesn't look too big in this box. The other package looks big. Let's see how that came out. What do we got here? Ooh. Got a nice Chinook. A nice Chinook. Kind of cheap style plastics. Nice Chinook for this G.I. Joe collection. Let's see if Van fits in there. Nice, and Vamp fits in there. Pretty nice. That's what I wanted it for. Yes, yes, y'all. Got a Chinook. Let's take the blades out. Yes, yes, y'all. Really good Chinook. Got a little military vehicle here. Got a kayak. Sweet. Now the G.I. Joe's got a kayak. And a little motorcycle. kayak. Yes, y'all. Got some added options for G.I. Joe Retro. Yes. What else we got in here? We got some figures. Check that out. Got Army Man 1. Got Army Man 2. Got Army Man 3. Yes, y'all. We got weapons sprue, oversized weapons. Got a crate, weapons box crate, and a dog tag. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Weapons crate, weapons box. Yes, y'all. Got some more options for my G.I. Joe collection. Let's bring these army people in. Yes, y'all. And we got another big jet, a 31-inch helicopter, I mean. Let's open that. Let's unbox that. Hi, Tiger. Unseal this. Open the box. Make a helicopter playset. Yes, y'all. Make a helicopter playset. Let's unbox this. Let's get this 31-inch helicopter. Cheap stuff, not as good as G.I. Joe, but let's check. I wanted to check it out. And look at that. Ooh, that is impressive. Yes, y'all. Members mark. Yes, y'all. That is impressive. We're gonna unbox that later. But yes, y'all. This is the toy collection. How do you like it so far? Yes, y'all. That's pretty awesome. That helicopter is huge. That's bang for the buck. That was worth it. Hi, Dad. Tiger Leaf, Tiger Leaf. Tiger, I got another toy. Yes, y'all. Pretty sweet, pretty awesome. Kayak. And I got more coming in today, and we will unbox this after I get the another little jet. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Look at that helicopter. That's huge. And this Chinook. I love how this can take the vehicles. They go in the Chinook. That's so awesome. That's what I was looking for. Yes, y'all. Let's see if Felino can go in here. Nice. That's what I wanted. That is what I wanted. Pretty cool. That's what cheap stuff. Like not as hard to get as G.I. Joe. Pretty good. Yes, y'all. That is sweet. That is my G.I. Joe collection. And we're going to unbox that in a little bit. Wait for one more jet to come in today. Yes, y'all. These are my G.I. Joe. Got a kayak. Yes, y'all. Got the Chinook. That's awesome. Yes, y'all. We'll open that up in a little bit. Yes, y'all. My awesome toy collection. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. Let's get this in high definition. Look at all that. Yes, y'all. Sweet army scene. Get the snow cat in there. Yes, y'all. Their Jeep looks a little stupid. Yes, y'all. Tiger Lee, Tiger Lee. Got the Ramjet. Hi, Tiger. Rattler, I mean. Here's Sky Striker, Jetfire. Yes, yes, y'all. And that is a wrap for this unboxing. Yes, yes, y'all. Tiger Lee, Tiger Lee. Hi, Tiger. Helicopter is massive. And we will unbox that later. Hi, Tiger. Tiger Lee, Tiger Lee. Tiger Lee, Tiger Lee. G.I. Joe and Soldier Force. Hi y'all, this is my unboxing and we're going to open up Members Mark Mega Helicopter playset, Soldier Force. Yes, yes, y'all. Get camera number 2 on there. Also. I like G.I. Joe, the quality stuff. This is kind of stupid stuff. This is like Joy-In. Amazon, like toys for cheap ones for kids. Yes, yes, y'all. So let's unbox this. Unbox that. Yes, yes, y'all. Let's unbox that. Yes, yes, y'all. And we are going to take this out. Yes, yes, y'all. Take the chin off. Kayak over here. Action Force. Soldier Force. Yeah. It's a bicycle. I was being stupid. I wanted to see this cheap stuff. So I did now. Got this stupid stuff. Yes, yes, y'all. See how this is fastened in there. Let's go ahead and unseal this box. Yes, y'all. Oops, there goes the rattler. Yes, y'all. Gotta undo this. Unscrew these. This is stupid stuff. I like G.I. Joe. This is kind of cheap, but I was being stupid. I wanted to see it. It's bigger than G.I. Joe. I got the large hovercraft coming in. That's gonna be awesome. I think that's better than G.I. Joe. The large hovercraft. Chapman, Soldier Force. Okay, let's undo these ties. Got the blades out. Got the command tower out. Got the wings. This falls out. Got a stupid little cheap vehicle here. Sometimes you want to get stupid, you want to get knockoffs. Sometimes you want to get this cheap stuff. So, that's what I did. Yes, sure. Two Action Force figures. Yes, y'all. Got weapon sprues. Yes, y'all. Last we got some missiles. And a helicopter propeller. Yes, y'all. That is a wrap. Tiger rat fell out. Should stick to G.I. Joe, not get these stupid, cheap kid stuff. Yes, y'all. Tiger rat. Yes, y'all. Yes, y'all. I'm gonna take a little break.